I don't know why you are like this. Hand over my niece and nephew. Give me the twins. Eh? Ogenda.
Come, who know they hear something? Who this when in the talk, you know Yaram. He said who make you hand over. You still there the waste time. Who go inside to hand over now.
I do not want to repeat myself. Hand over these twins. You are a child. A child cannot raise children. Give the twins to me. Let me give them the proper care and upbringing they deserve.
Chief. This talk where you don't talk for this small girlfriend don't they do too much. Allow us, make we do our work. What make you carry us come here? Make we go inside, do what we suppose. See, this small girl they waste our time. If they waste our time, we get better thing to do.
Do you want to bring out the children quietly, or do you want them to go in and bring them out?
Bam.
You're sleeping.
Better bring them out and their things so that we will go with them.
Who go now?
You know the aruru.
Don't worry, when they bring out the two, you carry one of them, but then you bring their bags. Okay. Hey!
Diala.
Hey, is she coming?
Huh?
Is she coming?
Is there?
Hey,
I don't.
that small girl.
Hey.
Is that girl?
Who position God? Who shoot them? Huh? Did you waiting? Huh? Would you waiting? Nami go where? You actually no shut up.
You shot a bullet. The bullet no hit him.
Who no hit him?
Hey, Timo.
Papa!
Hey! No, your guy. Why are you calling me like that? When you remember? Instead of you to be coming from inside the house or coming from the backyard.
What kind of nonsense question is that? Eh? This one you are sneaking into your own house like someone who has seen a ghost. What have you committed again, evil man?
Yeah, Bachalanya. Know how you talk to your father. Be careful.
Hey, get him. Hey, thank God I met you at home. Hey! So small.
I was not running. I was just in a hurry to come home and ease myself.
The way people were calling me to come and see my husband running on the road like an umbada. They said they were looking. They were not seeing anybody pursuing you. Eh? So some people now said that it was small Nkemjika Konam that was carrying a toy gun. Katim na baloso. Hey! Now were you not the one that told me that during the Civil War that you were in the forefront of the war? And I boy na Odeshi. Ya kobele nwa bu toy gun na cho na agbaka mgbada. Hey! My husband is a coward.
Efu dị na mmadụ. Nwa abansi. Others are having men as their fathers. I have a weakling, a woman as my own father. Nambu nwanyị. My father be biliachi. Mpa mwagidia. Mpa mwagigi.
Ikura.
Yeah. I was not running.
You can No. Hey! Nayo! Wow, can see je. Emo pa mo bi kale agi. I cannot do that.
Is this not Nkemjika Konam? Daughter of late Mazi Ahanono, the hunter.
One Neka's daughter. The one that died 2 weeks ago, giving birth to twins. Hey, she's the one.
Oh, she make mama. Look at the way she's carrying those kids.
I even heard that Mazi, her father's brother, that demanding that she should give them the twins for them to start taking care of. Can you imagine?
No. She should give them the kids now. She's still a kid. She can't take care of those kids all alone.
My dear, what will I say now? That's the way the world is.
Why? You need to fresh and down. Okay. This guy is strong.
Imagine a girl of our age taking care of twins. Even a full-grown one will find it difficult to do. My friend, I'm speechless. I'm pity for her.
My eyes have seen my ears. How will she even go to school with this kind of situation?
Dear. Well, I think we need to make her our friend. She seems like a nice person, don't you think?
How do you know what I was thinking? But we need to go and fetch our water. Then later we'll go and meet her.
Okay, no. What thinking? I think we need to begin now in showing her likeness and friendship. And make her our friends.
You think
Can't
so?
you see she's struggling to carry the babies and the water at the same time? Let's go and help her, Biko.
Alright, let's go. No, wait, wait, let's help you.
Wait.
Please. Let's help you.
Who sent you?
Who sent us? Kiribiko, let's go.
Wait. Tell me who sent you. Else, I will unleash my anger on you both.
Hey, no one sent us. It's just that we saw you struggling to carry the babies and the gallon. I decided to turn back and help you. Wait,
who are you?
Please, just calm down, You're not enemies, you're friends. We just want to help you. Nobody sent us. Let's help you with the gallon.
Yeah, see what will happen. Let's just help you with the gallon. The time we spent here explaining ourselves is enough to reach your destination. Oh, Biko.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Please take it easy on yourself, okay?
Okay, no problem.
My name is Nkemjika, but my friends call me Nke.
You can call me Nkiru.
So, what is your name?
My name is Nkemjika.
Okay, Nkem. Please, both of us are from Iwama community, and we would like you to be our friend. If it's okay.
I'm sorry, I don't make friends.
I understand, my dear. From your looks and your meanness, it shows. But you can't trust us. Nugo, please.
Just say yes, just be our friends. Say yes.
Okay.
Say yes. Thank you. Okay. We'll be coming from time to time to check on you.
Okay, no
Please
problem.
take it easy on yourself. You can call us anytime you need us.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
What is wrong with you? Huh? This is how you go about disgracing yourself in this community. You are damaging a beautiful reputation I have built over the years.
Come on, keep quiet, dear sir. Come on, make sure to be a guy.
More, keep quiet.
No, be a guy.
Okay.
Which nonsense reputation are you talking about? No, which nonsense image are you trying to protect? You that impregnated an SS2 gear. Yes, now.
Are you listening to this idiot? Don't
point that finger on my face again.
Mind how you talk. Be very careful. Be very careful.
Chelunu. It is sure of what you say.
I am very sure of what
If you're not sure, don't talk to your father like that.
This nonsense, man.
I'll talk him around here.
Don't talk to your father like
You
that.
don't come here and off here again. I will just start beat you here now. Be a this guy. Be a guy. Only one more. Now only one come here now.
You see, you see this your son. If you want guy.
I'll give you the talk. Make you know the point finger from my face. Stop pointing your finger on my face,
Are you sure?
Look at you now. My problem with you is that you don't have anything inside your skull. My problem with you is that you are not aware that you are married to an evil man. Your husband is full of atrocities. And your own is that once he finishes committing all those evil that he's capable of, he will still come back home to brainwash you. He will still come back home, wolu sponge, you will still accept it. Do you know why? Because You are an illiterate.
Will you be illiterate?
If we will pull a now, Mamma will pull a now.
You mad?
Behave yourself.
If Onyala, don't
ever make the mistake of
Don't
make the mistake of pointing that finger on my face again.
Who are you? What face?
If you point that
face, if you point that
finger on my face, it will be the last time you try it again. I go stampede you. I go stampede to you. Come here. This girl.
Are you okay?
No, be this girl. Be this girl. Be this girl.
Come now.
What are you doing here with your useless handkerchief? I am asking for the last time. What are you doing here with your useless handkerchief?
What
are you doing here?
I came to check up on you.
Check up on me. Do I look like I'm sick or I'm not okay? And since when did you join the community vigilante group to start looking for people's safety?
When has it become a crime for someone to check up on his sister? You don't have to be sick for me to check up on you. And I don't need to join the village vigilante group for me to look after you now. Are you now my sister again? It is my duty to protect you and to make sure that you are fine. In case anybody disturbs you in this village, do not hesitate to let me know.
Arusi, since we know follow you go there, you could try to give us tell us how the thing take go. You understand how it take happen? Make me and Aruro feel am.
You don't understand the thing be say like say on an old day there, I can't stampede them, can't stomp into them. Nobody go there to tell the story. Oh God, this is called if cock and bull.
You do well. For that way you say cock and bull.
Cock and bull. Cock and bull.
I don't say that you know. You want confuse me? No. You don't say now you been talk say Umoko no follow you go. I think.
Yes, because me too, I still dey wonder with the story where you do line up now. I want make you give us details. Just detail them bit by bit.
Now much I'm there, son. Now baby, much I'm there, son. Who can give you bit by bit? Me number one. Me where my red handkerchief first of all. Where my handkerchief?
Chama, I dey for your leg now.
Understand.
Me will be number one now. Now you tell me make I give you bit by bit how the thing take happen. Which kind of nonsense talk be that?
You man.
You understand? Now the thing be say like say hey Biaba, you dey crazy mad. Come back.
Come here, man.
Come here, it's not.
Who live am papa na from the other village.
What's that nonsense people? See I did it in your absence. If I come back and start telling you stories, if you dey look me one kind in the eye. Don't you understand? So I decided that let me pipe low and wait for a good time when both of you will be there. You can lock where you are.
Abi?
Now.
Give a color. Nkemakokwanam Nkemakolam Neluwa Nkemakokwanam Okwanem Mutaram Wekwamu Nkemakolam Okwanam Fokwalam Wekwamu Nkemakolam Nkemakolam Odimma Modinjo Nkemakolam Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Abumuwe wene nana nuwa mana Nkemakolam Abumuwe wene nenuwa mana Nkemakolam Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Mana Nkemakolam Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Eluwa muwejeluwa no sirike Nkemakolam Nuwa kono baram naba Nkemakolam Neluwa nyakunu baram wejebe Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Ezigbo nwa bịaluwa asingi dibenuo Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Ezigbo nwata obiọma na asingi dibenue Nwadi ya jọkpọkue nwata na galowe ya Asikwana Nkemakolam Nenuwa Nkemakolam Nkemakolam Nkemuwe Nenuwa Nkemakolam
Where's the mother of the child?
Is she that came with the baby?
My
mother traveled, sir.
Young lady, you need to go and call your mother. She need urgent blood transfusion.
Sir, you can just take my horn. He's my brother.
Being your brother is not the matter. We have to run some tests to know if the blood match or you are fit to be his donor. And meanwhile, you have to deposit 50,000 naira for us to commence treatment.
50?
50,000 naira. Jesus. Please rush now, huh?
50,000 naira. Where do I get that amount of money now? Do you have any money with me?
Who and what are you looking for?
Good afternoon, sir. Uncle, one of the twins, they are not feeling fine. So, and they need medical treatment.
So, do I look like a doctor? Also, you came without your gun. Keta, you don't need your gun any longer.
Uncle, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, sir. Uncle, you know these are the twins you've always wanted to take away from me.
Ginemezie. You know where? If not because of God, if not that I'm a Christian and a joke and a Jesse, I would have walked you out of my compound. What do you want from me?
Sir, the doctor said that the doctor said we should deposit 50,000 naira, sir.
50,000?
Yes, sir.
This must be a serious illness for them to demand 50,000 naira deposit. It's all right. I'll give you 50,000 naira. Don't thank me yet. I will give you the money on the condition that you give me the land by Uzako. The farmland there.
But Uncle, you know that is the only thing that my father left for me, except for the house that I'm living in.
Are you a boy? What do you need land for? Very soon you will get married. And you go over to your husband's house. You will say that your little sister, the twin, will also grow up and get married. As for the boy, he's the one that is sick, or is it the girl?
It's the boy, sir.
As for the boy, if he survives, he said, baby, what does he need land for? The question here is, do you need the 50,000? Yes or no?
What is it?
It's the Ejima.
What happened to Ejima?
One of them is not feeling fine.
Which of them? Which one is not feeling fine? What happened?
They said I should go to the hospital. He came and said I should.
They say I should go to the hospital. He came and said, what happened? Talk to me.
See,
said I should donate blood.
Blood? Is that why you're crying? Come now, let's go. I have blood. I have enough.
No, that's not the main problem.
What is the problem
the
now?
blood that's the main problem. I said I should deposit 50,000 naira.
Yeah. 50,000. 50,000 naira. Anyway, that one is not a problem. Wait for me, eh? Let me bring my bag. I'm coming. Okay.
That girl enwere Ofoegbu.
That is.
Eh? And she's so shameless. Hey, you mean after chasing you along the road with a gun, making you run like a coward, she came back here begging you for help.
That girl will be idiot or marry Ife.
I'm telling you.
Eh? Do you know? So she was expecting me to give her 50,000 naira after. You go. Did you just say that I was running like a coward?
Like a number. That was what I was told.
Yeah. Whoever gave you that information, very wrong. That's misinformation. Look, I walked away. I walked away and I was not running. It will not enter.
Adaeze.
I just walked away because I did not want to commit murder.
I don't want to talk about that day. Oh, the stories
That talk much.
I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing. I just want to talk about that girl. I mean the guts. Her guts. After what she did to you.
Don't mind her.
After the whole shame.
I'll watch her 50,000. No problem. Since she has refused to do what I told her. Let me know where she'll get 50,000 naira from. Oh, Baruru, since she does not want to give me the land, so what do I know? Let the boy die. I'll still carry the whole land.
I'll come this evening so you will do my hair.
We shall listen.
Easy now, easy.
Hair is still okay, so?
It's not okay. You want me to be looking like in Mbeke like you?
Still okay. So my hair is in Mbeke style.
Why not to branch over at Nkem's house? She know how she's doing.
Bia. Kiro, why is it that anytime I'm not seeing something in my mind to say, you just for nowhere, boom, you voice it out?
I don't understand.
You don't understand?
What are you trying to say?
Okay, let me explain.
Kowanum.
I was thinking of telling you for us to go over to Nken's house and know how she's doing, and for nowhere, boom, you voice it out. So
that's what you are trying to say. Now. Biko, let's go. Are you not my best friend?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. Let's check this out, okay? You sure all deserve it?
I pray so.
Nkem! My mind is telling me that something is wrong somewhere.
No, don't say that.
I'm scared though.
I believe she's fine. Let's just go. We'll come back. Come back. Let's go.
Nkem!
Let's go.
Thank you so much, doctor.
God keep blessing you and your entire house.
Bless you too.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Oh,
thank you.
Take care of them.
Okay, sir. Okay, let's go.
Ma, I want to ask you this. Is this how you will continue living with these kids? You're too young. You're too young for this. Why not give them to your uncle? Yes. Give them to your uncle to take good care of them.
You have to rest for now, okay? In the evening, I will take you home. Okay. Alright, let's go inside.
I say, where my loud?
Nah, he don't smoke.
Why you go smoke my loud? Galangulum.
I
say, where my loud now?
You know, go ever if he talks straight.
Anytime we want smoke, you know the stammer. When you don't smoke my loud, you finish. You go the stammer up and down. I go stampede you now. Galangulum.
Arosi, look by your side. Arusi, they cut my friend move like this. One make a knock you slack. Come on, go.
From this side.
Fine, yes.
Stand here. Come stand here.
You stand well now.
One make a join on her
Why
head.
they be for the end now? Okay, man. Can I alone now? Can I make one or two? Never will if any now.
Talk well.
Yeah.
Come. Hey. I
go slap you, come out your
well. The thing be say, I think they worry this one. And I don't hear me, so I go want to make with the do one or two, make with the run things, make with the carry something, they put inside something. What thing say you?
As I don't hear waiting talk now. I know say na fine girls na be.
Eh?
Una go cooperate with us. Make we do this thing sharp.
Talk.
He go sweet you, he go sweet us.
What thing say you?
Make we do one together.
You people better leave us alone. No. We don't want trouble. Please leave us alone. No. Let's go in on our way.
You want come on them. Wait. And I know say for this village, and I know from this community, and I remember. Oh, how would I enter our community? Kalogon ko makato gate.
So you guys know that we are not.
You may go to gate now. You may go matching ground. Kalogon now. Now this guy got to quality. Come on, and the pinch man out all
on this thing.
Carry the two, follow me. Carry them, follow me.
Come on.
Carry them, follow me. Hey! What's happening here? Yeah, bottom ball. Bottom ball, don't forget. You don't forget say that maybe the number one for the area. You don't forget say your time don't pass. You are retired now.
No.
Let her go.
Their way.
This guy now.
What I'm there. Those two babes who have been positioned here, who have been the give lines. Where then they?
Who they go that side now?
I ask you the babes who have been stampede for here. Where are they give lines? Where then they?
A position. I hope that smaller one.
Why you allow them go? I said why you allow them go?
Arusi.
Why you allow them go?
Arusi.
You never reach.
No, Arusi.
No, you don't come.
Wait. Did I just hear you say Arsa Botefe?
That is what he said his name is. That's what they call him.
Hey. That is his real name. Do you know him?
He's my cousin.
Cousin?
Are you serious? So your cousin wanted to rape us?
You see why I said I didn't want to make any friends? Because you people might get hurt in the process.
I understand, my dear. But the fact is, we are now your friends, both in difficult and in good times. You know, go?
Yes, ma'am. Where are the keys?
They're inside sleeping.
The last time we came back from school, the whole place was locked. And no one was inside. And we searched for you and we were afraid something bad must have happened.
Nothing happened though. Nothing happened to me. It's just that Chidindu was not feeling fine, so I was running around to look for a way to, help him.
Yeah. It is well.
How is he now?
It's fine.
It is well. We're just worried.
Yeah, Odunaka. What is wrong with you? So it has gotten to a point where you want to break down the door of my house. Huh? No good morning. You cannot even greet your parents.
Papa say he break the door. This boy I lock go kuza. Go and open it. Inaku. Jewotaiza. Who is sweep here now? Jewotaiza kise. Open up go one. Only answer aja to serve.
You see it. Have you seen it? You are the cause of all this.
Who?
You! When you were raising my only son, my only child, you were pampering him, babying him, pampering him. Now look at what he has become. A terrorist. Useless like mother, like son.
Like Onye? Are you not his father? Where were you when I was not training him well? You did not say anything because you are useless. Like father, like son. Don't
worry, the back door is open. The back door is open. See, let's not talk about Odunaka and his trouble. There's something I want you to do.
Kenny?
I want you to talk to the chair lady. This is something that will favor you and I. Talk to your chairperson so that she will give her something so that the women union will get the twins from Nkemjika. They give it to us.
I have a son.
This one.
Is it not a son?
Troublemaker. Why are you like this? Something that will favor you and I.
After Ipasugomi, Zimbiko, beg me.
I should beg you.
Yes. If you don't beg me, I'm not going.
If I don't beg you, you will not go. Please.
What kind of begging is that one? Why were you pushing me?
I was not pushing you. I was just trying to be a bit romantic.
Which romantic? Say it nicely now. Romantic. Be romantic for once.
Okay, please go and talk to the woman. That is not a problem now. I was just touching you gently and you said I was pushing you.
The reason for this meeting is to find a lasting and workable solution to the problem at hand. There is no way we will allow a child raise children. Thank you. We all know that our sister Nwanneka left behind a set of twins. And it is our duty to take care of those children. Thank you.
There is no need for long speech here. And you know our sister, Nwanneka, was a very nice lady. Before the cold house of death snatched her away from us.
So rest in peace.
And I have not seen where a 15-year-old girl is raising a child. Not to talk of twins.
Or the possible.
Or the possible.
My fellow women of Umuipu, I have seen those kids. And looking at them, they look so healthy. I don't know why Mrs. Sani here is demanding for those babies.
If you get one, oh, this girl is just 15 years old. How can she raise a set of twins?
You want to know? What can wait for so the name here?
And we get us so the name. We can balko wugingo. Nkuni ebo telegonjo. Biko. The last time I went to see them, one of those twins was very sick. If not for the swift intervention of my husband, I can't agree also.
Oh, and we need to act fast.
Yes, sir.
Young lady, you have from now till next Eke Market Day to deliver those babies to your auntie here,
Mrs. Anne.
Else.
Okay, ma. I've heard you. I'll try my best to bring them.
Is the meeting over? Have we discharged you? Have we dismissed you? Where are you going? Or unless you want to tell us you don't have manners. Anyway, we don't even need you anymore in this city. Nekwanya, thank God that Etiego on before the next Eke Market Day. Unless you want to face the wrath of Umuiku, the choice is yours.
Bam.
Okay, Mrs. Zolunaba. What is wrong with you? I don't remember. Come on, so home. Okay, the thing. Did I say the wrong thing?
Now, can I have a now? Can I have Can you just now?
What are you doing here with this house?
Chinekeme, wait oh. No look my face say dey gentle. I go rugged you. Wait oh. How do you say? Now with this ntonto nwa, they called out.
I'll see Maga Tuku na you are the give respect. Imagine we dey talk of who face when they gentle. You know see my face? Who face no rumple for your eye? Make I tell you, if you try me next time, I'll see Makatuku nipu aboko wife.
Come matam dia iso. Na matam dia. Mpam mageba. What's in the worry you? You know fear face. You stand them my very before. They make more. They meander. They lose guard. If they call me and my guy styles, Make I tell you, if not before the love what I get for you as my younger sister, I for just stampede you here now. What's in the worry this one?
Odinaka.
I don't depart out.
Odinaka. If you don't live here with this your stupid doubts, you will regret stepping your foot in this compound.
Make I tell you, you think say as it take happen that time, where come be like say, so how? I can't lose guard for you. I don't feel lose guard for you again, no. I come for this once, not be for you. If not be for that, I for stamping to you. Can you remember this one? You don't even get respect again. You open your mouth, all the naka. So we don't become intimates now.
If you say you love me as a sister, like you claimed, then leave my friends alone.
This one so they insult people. No, this one so they insult people. I don't provoke.
Come on, guys, now. No, come now, idiot. Don't mind it. Idiot. No, my man flied. I was scared. Thank you. What I'm saying.
Zero de matoiso. Can you find me now? You don't match my hierarchy for this village. To God, you don't match my hierarchy. You don't can't motion me now. You don't can motion me for this community. When if I challenge you, take one post. If I challenge you, take one post. You just don't get up and down. You just don't make more. You just the meander. You can't be like side they fall my hand because of you. Zero the matter. I know if you fall my hand where you did. You see you anyway, where you there? My to God, where make me and you? My to God, where make me and you? I don't mark your face to God. I don't mark your face. I go stomp into you. I go stampede you. Again. No beside the run. No. Can't go down first of all. Can't go more for my
Hey, another one. Hey.
This guy will kill somebody one day.
In the come.
You just stupid. Huh? You just very stupid. I mean, they ask that. Not be suppose they ask you. Not be me and you follow run from there. Come here.
Hey. Who know best? Where Alusi? You see Alusi?
Small girl if you don't kill her more.
No, they possible.
You should be say bullet, don't hit her.
You know what they talk? You know be Alusi. You know they possible. No, now Alusi they control these things. That time way, you know say that girl we don't go run. Now again. That time when they talk, Alusi they full up. And they give us I say calm down. You see they go. The next one, bring that go on again.
This one I second time.
Man.
If you go there the third time, I no go follow you. Bullet will hit you.
Thunder fire you. Who blame?
Chief, give us our money.
Have you finished the work?
Yes, Chief, we are done with the work.
You finished the work?
Yes, Chief.
Work that you just started on Abu Bulldozer. How can you just finish such farmland?
Pay us for the one that we have worked.
Yes, pay off.
Chelo, I should pay you for the one you've worked.
Yes, nah.
My contract with you is that you will finish clearing the entire farmland. Was that not what we discussed? So, if you have done part work, I'm not paying.
Chief, what are you saying?
Chief, what do you tell you boss?
You go there, you go.
Chief, you go. Kai she never phone.
What are you saying?
Chelo.
Why you going carry lalo?
Mu abu chief ane. Chole boss.
No, Chief, come and give us our money. What are you saying?
Let's go to the land and inspect it.
We are not going to that side.
It's better you give us money before you go there.
Go to the side. We are not going. We are not going.
Okay, let's go.
These boys must be very stupid. What did they do? They've not done any work and they want me to pay them. They've not even started.
How dare you step your foot into my father's land?
You again.
Yes, it is me again. What did my siblings and I do to you that you can't let us be?
Nkemjika, it is better you put this toy away because this time it will not work.
Unfortunately, you will not be able to see this gun again because today is your last day.
I am indabo. I am indestructible. The kind of dream I just had this afternoon clearly shows that this girl on Nkemjika is not joking with that gun she carries around. Yes. Do you know that girl shot me, Oba?
Wait, oh. This your dream, is it a good dream or a bad one?
Mama.
And again.
This your question just shows that you are clearly beauty without brains.
Why the insult? What have I done again? Eh? I just asked a question.
I just told you that Nkemjika shot me. And you're asking me whether it is a good dream or a bad dream. I felt it. It was very real.
Very real. You felt it. Why are you shouting at me now? Eh? It was just a dream according to you. Ilugo, did they kill you?
Why will you ask if it's a good dream or bad dream? What is good there?
You wanted to tell me about a dream. I needed to know the kind of ear to use to listen to you. Bamba, they shot you, it felt real. Ilugo. I don't to kid here. Please, you see why I don't like to come out and to play with you. Can't look at Coco dream. Dream or real or not, in a way. Don't shout at me, please. Oh, what kind of rubbish is this one?
I got around one here. I don't understand this woman.
I'm suggesting that whatever it is you want to do it fast.
What do you want me to do?
Well, the women said that the day after tomorrow that she should bring the children to us. You got to go? So when kind of
Jojo. Evil people. Two evil people. Whenever I see two of you seated like this, discussing peacefully, without arguments, fights or quarrel, I know you are conspiring evil against someone. To fear kwa. Kedonyo na chibu this time around. Kedonyo na chi pibu. Kedonyo na choi memina. Kedonyo na chokunu duna. Diojo. Ane kuona akuro ganya. Nyojo mpam magi my dear.
Yes.
Say that again.
Yes.
Abo na bro ma ko kongu mi anwula na ba keta I for stampede you now.
Yano na ya pele ma ko sa de mo na ya papu.
Kerebensi patano bwana, why are you mentioning me?
Kediji no leba na ekwoku, you won't say anything. Huh? A child you gave birth to put on nonsense.
I don't have time for this prodigal son. He's a wasted effort, so I don't have his time. You were saying something.
If she does not bring the children in peace, we will collect them in pieces. Alright.
It's a very simple thing.
Thank you very much.
I know you women will succeed. So just do another mark, and that is all.
Okay. That is what we're going to do.
Kim, where are the babies? They are inside. I just finished beating them. They're sleeping.
Okay. The way you're taking care of those twins is quite amazing.
Very.
I just wish that Sunday you go back to school.
I will. But, let them just reach a certain age. I'll start.
Is well.
Kim, guess what? What? I'll be staying with you this weekend. I asked my mom and she approved of it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. What about you?
My parents did not give their consent, especially my dad. But I just wish that Sunday my mom will be able to convince him and I will come and stay.
Don't worry. I pray that one day we'll be together.
I pray so.
You that I told you, let me go and beg your parents. What did you tell me? I took him out. Is that why you said? I don't know. Maybe she did something. That's why I did not allow her. What are you doing here all alone?
Okay, never mind. Just go and sleep.
Sleep? While you are here? Where did the sleep come from, Kwan?
No, I'm used to it.
Do you mean you stay here with your gun every night?
If I don't do it, they would have taken the twins by now. Or they would have even killed us. So, just go and sleep, huh?
Don't worry. Let's become vigilance together now. Where's my own gun? Sleep now. Sleep. You'll be here. By yourself. No, let's do the vigilance together now. Where's my own gun?
Don't worry, I can do it.
You are supposed to be putting on sauce to school.
Do you know that Nkem is an extraordinary human being?
How do you mean?
Do you know that Nkem doesn't sleep at night?
I'm here to understand your point.
Okay. Last weekend I stayed with her. I woke up in the night and I didn't see anyone except the twins. Only for me to go outside. And I saw Nkem fully awake and agile with her gun.
That her attitude is not ordinary.
At all.
That girl must have seen a lot.
I'm feeling for her. Do you know what she told me?
What?
She said that if not for her all-night vigilance, that by now they would have either taken the twins away from her or even killed them.
No, wow.
Like, dear, I'm feeling for that girl.
Please, let's go and see her to know how she's doing.
Let's go.
Let's go and see her.
Nkem, last time we summoned you in our last meeting, we gave you till yesterday being Eke Market Day to deliver those babies for proper upbringing and parental care. And you refuse. Makagini.
I am their mother, father, and their sister. I am doing my best to give them a proper upbringing and a proper parental care. So you don't need to worry yourself.
Mama, you're their mother, their father, their God. You are even their ancestor. Okay? At 15, you should be thinking of how to be useful with your life. Not that rubbish in them.
Yeah? I give you 1 minute to go inside there and bring those babies now. Go inside, my friend.
Bring that one.
Let me go and pack their things first.
Go and pack.
Oh, yeah, go and pack. Go and pack, Biko.
I'm here. I'm here.
I'm the woman leader. What you hold them? Yeah? So yeah, I've heard about you carrying gun and be harassing people in this village. But you see, you failed in this one. If you try it, yeah? I'm going to have them also. Also, now again. Come and carry babies. Should we want babies? Come and carry them.
Where are the twins? Why are you hitting your chest? Where are the twins you people want to get?
You need to go and get them yourself.
Chelo. So you are trying to tell me that you people failed? That the entire women of Ofoegbu failed to overpower a small girl? Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. So that your chairperson, Nafri, after all the bribe you gave her, she couldn't do anything. Iramusu.
Wait for you, come. Please. Oh, is yours. So,
this is how we would have been dead by now.
My dear, I am shocked myself.
This girl is simply a fighter. She's a fighter.
She's a fighter. She's more than a fighter. She almost shot us.
I need to go home. Let me calm down. I need to go home.
No. We need to go back. We need to go back and know what actually happened. She might be in trouble.
You say go back. After this ugly experience. You're talking about going back.
We need to go and know whether she's safe. She might be in trouble, Nkechi.
Because if we escape this one, we might not escape the next one.
No, see, Nkechi. Wait, we'll go back. We'll go and know what happened. Even if he's shouting before, wait now, even if he's shouting before entering, no indicates that it's us. Because wait, Nkechi. Wait.
They don't know what I don't know. I need to sit down.
Hey! Run. How do you know? Nkem? It's me, Nkiru. Please don't shoot us, so please.
What do you mean is you, Nkiru? Nkem, because he's also. Nkechi is also here. Don't shoot us.
Please don't shoot us, so. What is the problem? Do you know you almost shot us this afternoon? How? What happened?
Okay, you're saying how? We are coming to visit you this afternoon and we heard gunshot and we saw some women running and we also ran for our lives.
Sorry, I did not know. You know, it's this only cool women. They came to take the twins away from me.
Yeah? The twins? Did I hear you say the twins? So where are they now?
They are sleeping.
Okay. I come ask what? But are they mad? Okay. How? We made this holy war.
You would have waited just a little longer. So we'll show them pepper. Nonsense.
Oh yeah, what can I offer you? What do you want to eat? Tell me.
Saying what do you want to eat? Okay. You need to be careful with this one. Ngozi goes to work.
Go and sit down. Let me get you some.
Go and keep the gun.
Fine, I'll go and keep the gun.
Officers, come. This is the girl. Arrest her.
We have the warrant to search these premises.
I don't understand. Who are you and what for?
I am Detective Samuel, and here is Sergeant Tonia.
We have a report that you have an unlicensed gun with which you are using to threaten Mama Egoyibo and some other women.
I didn't threaten anyone. I was just using it to defend myself.
Ogo. Hey.
Sergeant Tonia.
Yes, sir.
Go with her and go and get
Let's
it.
Go, madam.
Don't worry.
Is it able?
Calm down. You want to do your job?
No. Wait.
Officer, this is my late father's gun.
So you have an unlicensed gun here?
No, like I said, it's my late father's gun. It's not mine. I won't lie to you.
Sergeant Tonia,
yes, sir.
Whatever you say here will be used against you in the law court. Sergeant Tonia, move with her.
No. Please.
Move.
Please.
It's my fault to follow us.
Yes, follow her. Where is the other one? Officer. Sure. Officer.
What do we do now?
Just stay with the twins. Let me go and inform Auntie Amaka.
Please come back now, please.
I'm coming back.
Come back now, no.
Ah. Finally, I've gotten rid of this girl. By the time she comes out from detention, I would have gotten everything I want. My darling wife. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Bravo again. She has been released though.
Released? I don't understand. How?
One useless woman, Amaka, came with a lawyer immediately and released her. They said that the gun was her father's, not her own. Moreover, there was no evidence that she threatened us with the gun. They couldn't even let her stay there because of the children she left at home.
Hey. Hey. Nkemjika Adaeze Nkem. Onye gwọọlụ gị ọgwụ a ọ dị ile.
I miss you. I'm already missing you people. Just that if people go there now, people become campus girls. And you forget a local girl like me.
Nkem, stop talking like that. Oh, we are friends forever. Admission into the university is not admission outside our friendship, okay?
And I know you sacrificed a lot for Umejima. And I also know that if not because of them, you would have gained admission into the university with us. But one thing I know is that all your efforts will not be in vain.
Amen.
Come to think of it, Nkem, it's high time you buy WAEC form and register in a private lesson center. Don't you think?
I'll think about it.
Better.
I wish you They can take my father's gun, but they can't take away the twins from me.
Yes, Auntie.
Yes, Auntie.
How was school today?
Yeah, school is fine. We are starting our WAEC exams next week.
So soon. You'll be off to the university.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
I can't wait
tomorrow. But sister, I think it will not be easy for her to, go and I will go. I think she should go first. Then I will find ways to help you to be paying for her school fees.
That's so noble of you. Yes, but your concern now should be to pass your WAEC exam. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Oh? Okay, no problem, Auntie.
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah, go and change. Your food is almost ready.
Okay.
It is clear that we have lost every opportunity to get the twins from that devilish girl.
That girl indeed is devilish. Hey! You know what? Everything we tried to collect those children from her, she's the devil herself.
I concur. We are now left with that wasted effort on the matter.
You are the one who is a wasted effort. You are the one who is a very, very wasted and useless effort. All you call me a wasted effort, you see you. But for opening your mouth, wow, to call me a wasted effort, Mahaba to God, where me and you, this man. I don't mark your face to God, I don't mark your face. So all this gra you've been doing all this while, all this struggle you've been having all these years, you were having it just because you wanted to claim your brother's children. Ibajon Madu, you are an evil man. Yeah? Ezeonu get along with them. You will never see white and call it white. A mother who will see white and call it black. A mother who will see a spade and call it a shovel. I've never seen a mother like you before. You see this word there? I've won ever 2 times. If you come to this place twice, I will never come out from a womb, a cursed womb, an evil womb like your own. Look at you now. I was thinking that what is it? The female now. The female now, it can dive open now. Now, it can talk diving. You know, come on, now. I talk now, you talk now. I talk. Look at my mother now. I was thinking that once people start getting old, they will start amending their ways, changing from evil, bad to good. But you are getting older. The evil in you is increasing from bad to worse. About your mother, blog wall. Then if I go now, go again. Takataka sana sikupendi mjinga wewe. Yagai.
Odinaka, are you not ashamed of yourself? After all these years, you are still living in my house. You don't have a wife, a Norawani. You don't have children. You don't have anything meaningful doing. You will go outside, constitute a nuisance there, and then you come back to this house to also be a nuisance. If you if you open your mouth again, I will just stampede you now. Let me warn you. This place is my father's house, so I hope you know. This place now is my father's house. If you open your mouth and say nonsense again, I will throw you out of this place so that you go to your own father's house. I will just stand. You think it be like those days where you still get more strength to fight me. If you lose God again, I will just stampede you now. No, yeah.
You are not getting it now.
Arusi. Arusi.
No guy, not their guy.
Arusi, wait till they happen. Sit down now.
This one will walk like this.
Wait, Arusi. This one where your face be like a phone when no get network.
No,
Try put one bar for your face. Or if any fuck up, they let us. Now your guys will be. Make we go deal with the fuck up.
Come on, what am I saw? What am I saw? Which nonsense fuck up there? Where we won't go treat? All the fuck up where we don't treat from the time where we're small. Which now, what we achieve? I know they provoke based on the things we happen now. I they provoke based on the things we happen in the past, which make us misuse our youthful years.
Novice who can't that small. Who talk in the language we feel understand now.
Come on, what am I sir? Which language you say you don't understand? I speak Swahili for here. Takataka sana sikupendi. Njinga wewe mpamogidia. Which one be say you don't understand the language why they speak?
Who they confuse me with too much? Who think gonna be for takataka again for the matter? You understand? Wait till they talk now be say waiting be that thing where we do for back. Waiting be that one where you know like now we they talk. We no verse.
Once again.
Oh, thank you.
Make I ask you one simple question. As your life dey so, you dey happy? As our lives dey like this, you like am?
I know too like am.
You know say based on say na me be number 1, na me be 001, na me the lead. Una dey follow me, una dey follow my lead. All the mistakes why they make for my life, una follow me, they make the mistake. Our mates never marry finish. Our mates never born finish.
Yeah, makes sense.
I dey busy they carry red handkerchief, they clean my face, they dust myself. All my life, wasted my youthful years. And when I will be my boys, but I still follow me, they make the same mistake. Una know where the guys start from? Now from my papa.
Aye.
All this why when my papa they make me they hate my cousin Nkemjika Konam, my little sister Nkemjika Konam. I don't know say na my papa that fault. I don't know say my papa they make me hate my sister for nothing. I don't know. Una will be my blind disciples. Everything why I talk, when I follow me talk. For now, our mates don't they carry their children, they go school. Where our own children dey. Our mates don't build house finish. Where our own house dey. Our mates don't marry finish. Don't they do better things finish. We there for this village, gone the west time up and down. The only thing what we do for this village now to the shout who goes that man. To the shout we die you. To the shout die it. To the shout who fuck up. Make we go treat him fuck up. Which kind of lifestyle be that? I don't they provoke. Oh.
No,
I don't they build up again.
The thing where they be say, you mean say all these things where your father and your mother they do all this while you know they are aware.
No, say they can't migrate more, they can't lose garden and they can't meander. Why I meander for my life? I just wasted the time why I suppose use make money because I dey follow my papa fight will not be real fight. My father misled me. I can't mislead una. I can't waste my life. When I can't waste our own lives. No, we fall our hand.
No understand.
I don't the para.
We nonsense. Who person they talk? Who something who get sense? Who talk is here? Who not understood? Waiting, you not understood. Now it make back in the days. Who not even carry 10 for class or even 11.
You be mumu. Wait, see person wey you understood. You wey dey try correct person for English. See the kind English wey they speak understood. You what is?
No, again, come on, match am there, sir. Who goes that man?
Nobody who goes that man.
Who are you now? Can I here?
For what?
Come on, there you talk, sir. I don't provoke again. I dey hear they talk important something, but I dey hear they lose guard, they make them more.
No,
they gonna just down. I don't provoke.
I don't say.
No.
What they get? Hey!
Evil man. Evil. Wicked man. Let me tell you what. You see all the evil I've been planning and clamoring against Nkemjika and the twins. I know them all. If anything happens to any of them, I will sing. I will tell the world my father is an evil man and he is the one responsible. If anything happens to them, Ncheputa go up and Balezi. Mpulu go up and Gipopute and Balezi. I'll tell the world everything I know. Wicked man. Very diabolic man. Pamagidia. Evil man. Wow. Where my red handkerchief? Where my handkerchief? Where my red handkerchief? I said, where my red handkerchief?
No one bites the finger that feeds him. The cigarette that I lit cannot burn my house. I cannot be inside a river, yet soap will enter my eyes. Are there many amen? Okurana akari onye korea. Odonaka, you have beaten more than you can chew. Odonaka, you have beaten more than you can chew. It is true that you are my son. But your attitude, I cannot condone it any longer. As it stands now, a man without a child is better than I am. Having you as a son is useless. Kataman ketam gerin kanni atanya kano. Odonaka nga atago kano.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
You're losing one negi. You got a couple one negi. I book one ne. I book one munne. I book one for bala.
Odinaka, what trouble are you here to cause? Speak now.
I am not here to cause any trouble. I'm here to ask, to plead, to apologize, to make amends for the troubles I caused in the past. Now I know the truth, and I am deeply, deeply sorry for all the pains I caused you over the years.
What truth are you talking about?
I overheard my parents discussing, and from the things they said, it dawned on me that I've been wasting my years fighting an unjust cause. You see those plots of lands, they rightfully belong to your family. Do find it in your heart to forgive me. Aibomunne, you are my sister, we are siblings. And if you would ever need anything from me,
I will never need anything from you, Odinaka. Not in this life, and not in the next. Never!
I tell you this today. You like it, you do not like it.
Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me.
We are family. We are tied by blood. And nothing would ever change that. Till the end of time, you would always be my sister. My parents were the ones who wronged you. They were the ones who propelled me to do all the debts I did to your family. I beg of you. I beg of you. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
Don't come close to me.
Since you are already wielding a weapon of mass destruction, here is my head. If you will not accept my overture for peace, if you will not accept my request for us to live in peace like siblings, one neck.
Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma. We are greeting you. Mommy, we are greeting you now. She's not answering us. See, this is what we should do. We will keep greeting her just like a sister told us that we should keep greeting her whenever she doesn't respond to our greetings. So let's go and greet her.
Yeah, okay, let's follow her now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Mommy, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mommy.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mommy. We've been greeting you. Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Ogini,
Mommy, good afternoon.
you're blocking me from entering my own house.
Sorry, ma.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
You want to fight me?
No, ma. Good afternoon.
The two of you want to fight me?
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Again, what is going on?
These children have been greeting me since from Adaeze Onuigbo. Eh?
Good afternoon, sir.
Will you shut up?
These two have been greeting me since I got to Adaeze Onuigbo's house. Eh? Munguru afternoon, mba nkiti. I can't some. What is it?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Will you shut up, both of you? What's wrong with you?
Sir, the thing is that our sister said that we should keep greeting her even when she doesn't respond, that we should make sure that we keep greeting her. So good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Uni eje kajite mpala. Jeno kajito utale piam.
Obroso utale. They should go and get a big log of wood. Is it by force to answer your greetings?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Uncle, the truth is that Sister Nkem will beat us if we go home without hearing our response to our greetings.
Okay, Romba. Ofoegbu, let her kill you people. Just leave my company.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Is it the most to answer your greeting?
No, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, afternoon. You can go. Namazienu.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Get out of my house or say good afternoon. Look on the manual.
Huh? Okay, Dinka. Eh? Munguru afternoon, ma. Nguru afternoon, ma. Mbankiti, munguru afternoon, nguru afternoon. Good afternoon. Since from Adaeze Onuigbo's house.
Do you know their problem? They are too idle. They don't have anything meaningful to do with their time. That is why they Okonkwo.
Yes.
That is why they followed you from Okonkwo's house, greeting you good afternoon to here. If they had something useful to do with their time, they wouldn't be following you around. Ndala.
Good afternoon. As if I answer them, they will give me 10 million.
Ike gukwa.
Eh? Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Hey, will 10 million?
Why would you be scared, brother? When you're here busy thinking about you and Nkemjika make another word.
Well, I really love that girl. I'm thinking of how to make Nkemjika completely my own wife forever.
Love one tente. Okay, love them.
talking another thing, you are talking another thing. If you don't want to help me, just get out from this place.
Oh, brother, I've been trying now. At least I've given you so many strategies, but none of them worked. I'm not come for now, go buy the wrong coconut, we see a maraco. Brother, brother, if I die here, oh, be up for a book at Chintin. That is good. Oh, be up for the you know that, if not, I know that is Kemakonam, I will say that she's from Obiapo local government. Okay, be a hey! Brother, I think I have another idea.
Come with it. Spill it out. Make a if I'm mother and alum this girl.
Don't worry. You know you're my only brother, eh? And we're in this together, eh? Brother, why don't you discover what makes her happy? Yes, something that can touch her emotions instantly. Where she likes going and what she likes doing. Something that can change, that can touch her heart easily.
You know, God, dear. What the God is it today, my husband? You know, God, dear. You know, God, dear.
Obinna, Biko, Biko no happen, leave me alone. I don't want now,
You can please consider me. Please. Ajokazim no there. Please consider me.
But I told you that my siblings are everything to me. They are everything to me.
They are not the everything. But mean the everything.
No, I will not do that. My focus now is how to see them through school and not men. Can't you understand me?
And you think I would just leave you people like that? I would support in their training. I would even support your own career. Nkem, please. You know I love you. I love you so much. Please. Biko.
Say again.
I love you, please.
Nkegi? Also love? Here. Hey. Love a back walker. Obinna, if you don't want this friendship to end, mention that in again. No, talk love again.
Banana threat. I no go talk again. I no go talk again. See, I'm willing to respect your take on this. Okay? I can wait as long as you want me to wait. Provided no news and rugged, you understand? I can wait. That is how much I love you. I can wait.
Better.
Okay?
Heading. Start going.
Going kwa. So soon.
Obinna.
I just came now.
It was not bone. It was not the bed nag. I have things to do. I'm serious. Start going.
Okay.
Stop calling me Nkego. I'm not Nkegi. Obinna.
So soon.
Start going. I have things to do.
I can help you do them now.
Obinna, start going now. Start going.
It's alright.
Can you take it off and start going? Biko. I'll end it all.
Give me this one too. You don't know me. Give me all of them. I have you going. You, I love you, eh? You can never tell.
Brother, But what are you doing to yourself? Eh? You're really taking all these things too far. And I don't like it. Do you want to kill yourself thinking about Nkemjika now?
She will not understand. You won't.
I understand, brother. But honestly not like this. You are taking all these things too far and it's not good. Brother, food, you haven't eaten in this house. We will not have water in this house, but you can't be fetching water from Nkemjika now. Yes. Okay, our palm fruits are ripe since over 2 weeks. Brother, you don't care. It's all day, ma. But you will go and be cutting from Nkemjika now. Even when you see Gaburi Abunaya na beer.
I told you will not understand. I've told you, you won't understand.
There is nothing I will not understand, brother. You are doing almost everything from Nkemjika now. The only thing remaining is for you to start betting her. Yet she doesn't want you.
Will you shut up that your dirty mouth? Who told you she does not want you? Come on, get her from here.
But that is true now.
She doesn't. She wants me. Nkemjika wants me. And I want her too. We want ourselves. I know it in my heart. She loves me and I love her too. Kokwa nonsense, put her here again. Nkemjika does not want you. She wants me. And I want her too. I cholo mwai.
Thank you.
Brother. You know you're my only brother. And I will not stay here and watch you look this moody all the time. I'm going to meet Nkemjika.
Chimwendo, you don't have to. It's not necessary. In fact, don't go. I'm telling you, don't go.
But why, brother? Can't you see that she's emotionally traumatizing you?
Super you. You see, each time you blow this your big grammar, I become proud of myself for seeing you through secondary school. Just be dashing me the English anyhow. Just don't go there.
Brother, eh? I am here talking about how you will make Nkemjika become yours. And of course our wife. And you're here talking about grammar and school. We're going to sorry Nkemjika nike kijiji kigechita na igemere mi ihe ndozi kwesịrị as one nigga.
Chimwendo, my own is that if you go to meet Nkemjika, it will be as if I'm not man enough. You see? But I've been trying my best. Just calm down. I'll keep trying. If I talk to her this way, it doesn't work, I'll change method. But one thing is sure, Nkemjika will be mine. I beg, don't go, it will be embarrassing. Big one.
Brother, that is your own cup of tea. Because of this Nkemjika, you shouted at me, your sister, for the very first time in my entire life, and you expect me to keep quiet. Okay? I am going to meet Nkemjika straight away. Let's talk woman to woman. I will see you when I come back.
Chimwendo, come first. Chimwendo. Chi, come now. Now, wow. Which kind of trouble is this? This guy alarm tap on big.
Okay.
Chiu.
What are you here? I hope I'm safe. Ha. Okay. Don't I have the right to come to your house? Or is it only my brother that will be coming to your house all the time? It's again.
Your brother? I don't understand.
Also?
No, coming here to do what?
Yes, so?
What is he coming here to do?
You think I don't know that my brother is always here? Of course I know. He fetches water for you. He farms for you. My brother is doing almost everything for you, Nkem.
Let me ask you something. Who is sending your brother to do all these things you just mentioned now? Who is sending him?
Love, of course. Yes, Nkem.
No, Bapok. I have
warned your brother to leave me alone. Let me focus on my siblings. I have warned him.
Nkem, a man that is doing all these things for you, why can't you give him a chance in your life?
Oh, say no again. Again?
A chance in your life.
A chance to do what?
To take care of you.
Hey! I don't want. Open by force. Eh?
Nkem.
Eh?
Remember we were classmates and we would have finished secondary school together. Oh, here you are, refusing my brother who is capable of taking care of your education. What is wrong with you?
My siblings. What is wrong with me? Their education and success is the most paramount to me. Nothing else matters to me. Nothing else. Not even your brother.
Okay.
So happen to my canon. Eh?
My brother is capable of that. My brother is capable of taking care of your studies and that of Umejima. Okay, let me ask you. Didn't he assist you when Chidindu was sick? Of course he did. That is to tell you that my brother loves you a lot and can do anything that will make you happy. Believe you me. Yes, my brother is not that rich, but not to the extent of taking care of you and that of Umejima. And you never regret it.
What are you holding me now? Are you done? Are you done singing like a bird? You can start going.
Nkem.
Hey! Hey! You are a graduate from secondary school.
Yes.
You are finished secondary school education, yes. I'm so happy. Yeah. I am so happy. Yeah. Hey.
Yes. Oluwa, take all the praise, oh. Eh?
Sister, we are very happy and we are very grateful for all your sufferings and swear to see us through.
Yeah. We all did. Eh? When some of your classmates will be at home doing home lessons or extramural classes, you will be with me in the market struggling. Eh? It's not easy. I am so happy. I'm happy for both of you.
Auntie, don't worry. You see, it is our own duty now to also make you proud.
Yes.
You see, I'll personally make sure that my sister furthers her education to the university level. I will hustle as a man and make money.
I'm not done yet. Oh, now Banaga University.
The two of us?
Both of you are going to the university.
Wow.
Yes. God that did this one will complete what he has already started.
Amen.
Amen. See.
Amen.
I want to apologize to both of you.
Apology?
Yes.
What is it, Auntie?
I know you're supposed to have graduated 2 years ago with your classmates. This is secondary school education. But because of my sickness and condition of things, it didn't work out the way I planned it. I'm so sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Auntie, are we complaining?
No.
Are we not graduates now? Yes, we may be 2 years late, but it is the same destination that a runner and a trekker will still get to. So it's not a problem.
Yes, exactly.
Hey, the kind of graduate. Hey, I'm so happy. I'm for that
Odinaka. Ego. Where is that useless son of yours? Where is that useless boy? Odinaka!
Odinaka what?
Yes.
Okay.
Where is that wasted effort? Do you know what he has done? I went to the farmland with Wankwo so that he will help me to harvest our palm fruits. Only to get there, Owechamba I did not see a single palm fruit in our palm trees. I now asked our neighbors, and they said, your useless son, that wasted effort of a boy, personally came there yesterday and harvested everything himself. Waiting in a wheelbarrow. He put everything on a wheelbarrow and took them to Nkemjika and the twins. My own palm fruits. You better find that wasted effort before I find him and kill him myself. Odinaka.
Na wali awayo. Odinaka, why did you cut our palm fruit and give to Nkemjika?
This woman, this girl. What do you mean by our palm fruit? When did that palm fruit become our own? Eh? Why do you want to beget that which is not rightfully yours? Eh? Why have you become such an evil woman? Eh? You and I know, everyone knows that those palm fruits belong to Nkemjika and their family. Why do you want to take it away from them?
Odinaka.
Odinaka,
how many times did I call you? Anything that concerns your father and his brother, remove your hand there.
Mama, I will not be part of this evil. No, I will not be part of this evil. Now, I'll ride them and you when I got on you, you want me to close my eyes or keep my mouth shut? While you are doing that, which the earth and the heavens abhor. It will not happen. No, it will not happen. I'm going now. Let me tell you now. If anything happens to Nkemjika or anybody in that family, you and Papa will have me to contend with. And you know that. You know that. I'm going to charge you. Do you have small change? I want to go to the bunker. Come on, my man. I for war. I dawa. I say war. I know one I have from my giant and came mum when I'm getting. Enjoy that could be me. Enjoy an ampadi. I was in a mouth for us in India. If anything happens to them, stampede Yegi, I will stomp into my father.
So that's the thing. For me, I just feel like I've not met my target. More people to beat next time. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Where is your sister?
She left since morning to the market.
I come and hustling. I hope you guys hustle like how.
Especially me, a born hustler.
Yes.
Maybe that was why you came out in flying colors, eh?
Yes.
So I got this for you guys. No, no,
wow.
Wow.
What do you mean all this for us?
For two of us.
God bless you.
If your sister comes back, tell her I came, eh?
Okay.
Don't forget. Don't forget.
Okay. No.
I'll not forget. Even
Don't
if she forgets, I'll remember.
No, you'll be the one that forgets. I'll remember it.
If you know how you remember the things you wrote in your exam, remember to tell her I came.
Yeah, I'll wait. I will not.
Wait now. It's for both of us, though. Don't rush it. You take one, I'll take one. I love it. Which one is good? And you are trying to take which one?
This one.
See, we will share this one.
No, this one. This
What is going on here? Hey! Who brought all these things?
It was Obinna that brought them.
Obinna?
Yes.
Yes, he said it's for us. It's for all of us. Eh? It's for all of us.
Sister, that was not what he said though.
He said it's for us. Eh, so I'm not included, Abby?
Yes. No,
I'm not among you.
I did say so, but maybe she's the one saying that.
Give me. No. Okay, give me. Let me do it. Huh? Let's go inside. Let's go. It's for both of you. Let's go.
Okay.
Thank you for finally accepting me.
And thank you for putting smiles on my face.
Okay, I love you more than you think.
And I love you too.
Well, you pay munti.
Of course, you're very stubborn.
Come here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. I'm finally here with you.
So I think I should just go and look what you're doing so that I'll be supporting sister.
Hey!
Sister, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Why is sister so excited?
Ha! I don't know.
See, I think we should go and ask her.
Who? Oh, okay. Yes.
It's you that will ask her.
Me?
Yes, I will escort you and you ask her.
Me? Okay.
Right,
Let's
go.
What is it? Cancel, what is it? Come. Did you fight with anybody? Come and sit. It's okay, stop crying. Come. Stop crying. What is it? Sit. What is it? Look at your body. Did you fight with anybody? Talk to me. What is going on? Taxi.
Sister.
Yes.
I will read.
They
raped me.
They raped you? Chai! Who raped you? Talk to me. Who raped you? Did you see their faces? Did you see the person's face? It's okay. Stop crying. We'll find that person. Stop crying. We'll find it. It's okay. Stop crying.
How are you? How is your face?
If I see the bastards that did this to her, they will pay. They will pay heavily. They will so pay. You shall never be worked with them. Never. Not my kid sister. No, not my kid sister. No.
You see, actually, no woman deserves this. It's only a coward that forces himself on a lady. But it's alright. It's alright. If she comes to see you like this, what do you expect her to do?
Wait, don't tell me. What did she do to deserve this? Tell me. Exactly what did she do to deserve this? She doesn't deserve this. She doesn't deserve this. She
doesn't deserve this.
No woman does. No woman does. Okay? But it's okay. Huh?
It's not true.
Please, it's okay.
It's not true. Ah!
If she sees you like this, what do you want her to do? Huh? It's okay. I got this for you.
You did? Thank you. Do you want to sit down?
No,
Sure.
I'm just going to bring it for you.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
It's just a matter of time. Oh? You're strong. You're already a strong woman. It's okay.
I'm going to kill whosoever that is involved in this. Like, Major already that person on a big time.
Yeah, that person on a big time. You will say the person. You end up in prison for murder. Eh?
Sister, are you saying that we should just watch and do nothing over this?
No. That is not what I'm saying. But first, we need to take care of our own sister. She is the #1 priority for now. And when we are done, we will look for whoever that did this to her. And then we can mess them up. But for now, let's take care of her.
Sister, then I will personally get that person on, and when the time comes, please let nobody stop me.
I know you are angry. I'm angry too. Yes, I am. But the most important thing now is nursing our sister back to good health, both physically and mentally. The doctor has done his best. All we need to do now is wait for the final test results. But while waiting, we have to continue living. We have to.
Sister, we should continue living as if nothing happened.
Sadly, yes.
Sister, how do you do it?
How do I do what?
Sister, how are you always strong? Sometimes I sit and I wonder how you were able to raise us from infancy.
I'm not always strong. No, I'm not. I doubted myself so many times. At times I cry myself to sleep. But whenever I behold your little faces, both you and Chikamso, I have to
encourage myself to continue pushing forward because I have no other option than to do that. But I must be honest with you. It has not always been easy.
Thank you for everything, sister.
Oh, it's okay. You don't have to thank me. Come. You don't have to thank me. It's fine. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Sister, where are you?
I didn't go anywhere. I want to do something. What is it?
Sister, what is wrong with me?
What is it?
Sister, I'm vomiting and I've been feeling feverish. Sister,
it's okay. It's okay.
Am I going to die?
No! Don't say something like that. You're not going to die. You will not die. Okay? It's okay. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
But sister, why are you crying?
Crying? I'm not crying.
Don't cry, oh.
I'm not crying.
I'll be fine.
It's okay. It's fine. Can I cry?
I'll be fine.
I know. I'm not crying. Something just entered my eyes, okay?
Don't cry, oh.
God, why? Why this shame that I've been preventing and working hard not to be our portion? God, why? Why, my sister? What have we done to deserve this? Who did we offend? Life is sometimes unfair, but God always knows the best. I need to act fast, because if people get to find out, especially my uncle and my auntie, they will start spoiling my name, saying that I didn't train them well. I must cover this shame at all costs by taking the bull by the horn. I am Nkemjika and Nkem Agakonatam. Shouldn't do, sister. Leave whatever thing you are doing. Go in there. Pack our things. We are leaving.
Sister, I don't understand what's going on.
Do not ask me any other question. Do not question me again. Go in. Pack our things. We are leaving now.
But sister...
Stop! Stop asking me questions. Go in. Pack our things. We are leaving immediately.
Sister, where are we going now?
Wherever fate takes us. Now go. Go, I say! My name is Nkemjika Nkem Agakonatam.
Brother, this one you're going out with your new phone. You want to go and charge it?
Charge it. I'm going to give it to the rightful owner.
To the rightful owner? Wait, brother. You mean you bought this expensive phone from Nkemjika?
You're in the spirit. Yes, I bought it for my love.
Hey! What's going on, brother? But you've not bought me ordinary phone cover in this house. Not even phone battery or Nokia touch. You call them or triple off. But you went and bought this expensive phone for Nkemjika.
Nothing is too expensive for my baby, for my love. Maybe in your next life, you'll be my wife, so I can be buying you things.
No, brother. She's not even your wife yet. You should be paying more attention to me, your sister, instead of her.
Anything that goes contrary to me and Nkem being one, and you know it.
Lover boy.
Hey, Papa, and that. See, let me tell you. In some of these things you are disturbing me for. You should be telling your husband about that. Not me. I'm a gum. If you get now.
But I have a message for you.
And something you add to this one?
Yes.
Nkem, here I come. Be fast. Now on that, them fast.
So Nkem gave me this letter yesterday at the market to give to you.
Love letter. What are you looking at?
Let me see what is inside now. Maybe it's $1.
Your husband will write for you,
Hey.
Hey. And one more.
Again, brother.
And one more.
What is this? Again, a boogie one.
And one more.
This thing you're doing won't solve any problem. Remember I warned you about this girl, but you wouldn't listen. Love did not allow you to pay attention to your own reasoning. Yes, brother. Someone that ever since you met her, no reasonable peace has ever come to your life. Uda Deronando ge cha-cha. And now she has abandoned you and disappeared. Hey. Who knows where she ran to? Maybe she's pregnant for another man. And she doesn't want to tell you. What is possible?
Chingwandu. Siabapo. Leave this place.
Brother, are you talking to me?
Chingwandu, leave this place.
But brother, what I'm telling you is...
Chingwandu, get out of here! Are you out of it? Come on, get out from this place. Do you have mental problem? Nah, mama, hand over.
But I have to listen.
Come on, get out from this place also. What the king wear mental or where? Maybe one this girl like how. Chinwendo.
leave Nkemakola and myself alone. Okay. Chinwendo. Okay. Now, see, there is something you will say now. Chinwendo. This girl, they want to talk to her. See, just know that you will sleep in that room today. Just know it. Well, if I see you outside, every day, Nkemakola. Now, Betty, go to your husband's house and leave me alone. Hey, can you?
Kamso, how are you? Chidendo, what is going on? Can someone talk to me? What is going on?
We've asked you this before, and you gave us silence as an answer. But right now, we're not taking it as an answer anymore. We would rather pack our things and trace our way back home. If you fail to tell us what we are doing here under this God-forsaken building.
I don't understand. Chikamso, talk to me. What is it? What is going on now? Talk to me.
What's all these big sis? So after seeing us through secondary education, we are here in an uncompleted building. For what? You have been buying me drugs since we came here. Even now that I'm not sick, you still buy drugs for me. What is happening? Talk to me. Talk to us.
Sis, I am a man. Yes. And I deserve to know why I left my father's house. Obinam. To come and be living under the mosquito and unfair weather. Sis, what kind of nonsense is this? What happened to me like that? Are you mad?
Slapped my brother with you. Why do you slap my brother? I will slap you. If not. For what? That I'm stubborn or because you are twins or what?
Now you listen to me. We are here because of your shame. If you do not know, you are pregnant. And that is why we came here.
What?
Yes, you are pregnant.
No. Big sis, I'm here to understand what you are trying to say. Are you saying that there is a baby, like as a human being inside my stomach?
That is why I brought you people here. So that you don't mock or laugh at us. Do you not understand it? Do you?
As in, I am pregnant. Hey!
You will soon become a mother. That is just the gospel truth.
Oh.
Do you now understand it? Hey, don't sister me.
Ichie, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
I was even on my way coming to your house.
You were on your way to my house?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, who are you?
My name is Obinna, sir.
Obinna?
You might not know me. Nkemjika Adaeze. Yes, sir.
And you were coming to my house to do what?
I was actually coming to give you drinks to make my interest known to you about Nkemjika Adaeze.
Oh, what did you call your name again?
Obinna, sir.
Obinna?
Yes, sir.
So you are the young man that I heard who has been following Nkemjika Adaeze around all these years?
Yes. I love her so much.
You love her so much?
Yes, sir.
Okay. She's the love of your life, okay?
The love of... you know.
So,
love of my life.
If I may ask, Obin, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, where is the love of your life presently?
I don't know currently. Yes, I think she's out of town currently. But I just decided to bring the wine. Yeah, Bob, we do everything.
Obinna.
Yes, sir.
You can hear the music, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. That is a traditional marriage going on, and that is where I'm heading to.
Okay.
Now, the celebrants of that event, the man and the woman, are present.
Okay.
You got to go?
Yes, sir.
Now, you are coming to introduce yourself to me and bring drink to me. So, Futuko Maudi Aburachi Aijiabia.
No.
Don't worry. It must be fake. The thing there is this. You want to come and introduce yourself to me. That you want to marry a girl who you do not know her whereabouts. A girl that has disappeared with her siblings. Now I don't know. And you want to come and tell me that you are interested in marrying her. So Wadro, continue deceiving yourself. Let me go and enjoy myself at a proper wedding. And please, don't take that into my house.
Sir, hey. It's so that Obata Rose boy me call if any. Hey.
Good afternoon.
Sir, you left your horse at my shop.
Jesus! How come?
When you bought the banana, that is when you forgot it.
And you had to take Okada all the way from there to bring this purse?
Yes, sir.
My God will bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Everything is intact, sir. Everything is intact, sir.
My goodness. This is my international passport and ID, including this $5,000.
Wow.
They are all here. My God will continue to bless you.
Amen, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Please, next time be very careful.
I will. Thank you very much.
No problem, sir. Let me start going back.
No. You I will drop you. Bike man, how much is your money?
500, sir.
Okay.
I don't want to bother you, sir. I can just enter the bike and be going. Let me enter the bike and go back. Eh?
No, don't worry. Enter. Let me drop you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okada. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, sister. Sister, you're back.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Hi, my baby. Hi, my baby. Come. Nabo.
Sister, how was Monday today?
Stressful. Wow. Just stressful, but we thank God. Yes, indeed.
Okay.
How is my baby doing?
It's fine, oh. Meanwhile, I made something.
You did? Yeah. What did you prepare?
Ofora.
Ofora? Yes. Hi, see my sister. Okay. Nah. Let's go and eat Ofora. Yeah. No. Okay, let's go. So, how are you?
Bye.
Sister, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So this is where you live with them?
Yes, sir. It's where we live for now.
So why are they not in school?
They are done with their secondary school. I'm only trying to raise money so I can send them to the university. Yes.
But what of you? You
Everybody,
don't want to go back to school or what?
Everybody must not attend the university.
Anyway, I've known you. I have to go.
Okay, sir.
One more thing. I would like to have their full names.
Oh, no problem. I will write it for you.
No, don't worry. Let me get something in the car. I have my paper.
Okay, sir.
Where is that phone?
Ha! Brother, Nkemjika is nowhere to be found, so I've taken the phone.
Thunder, what do you see there? Kebe, where is that phone?
Brother, it's in my room.
Yeah, be careful.
If we're not with mental issues, Nkemjika gave you just a letter. An ordinary letter. That girl has really bewitched you. What can I marry?
I've told you time and time again to stop calling me Mr. Mike. Call me by my name, Mike.
Okay, sir.
Oh, stop sighing me now. Just call me by my name. My name is Mike.
Okay, Mr. Mike.
There you go again. Now,
oh, yes, Mr. Mike.
now you sabi, Mrs. Mike.
You're very funny, sir.
So,
I mean, Mr. Mike.
Nah, yeah, Google me. Okay, Mike. Oh, you say Mike.
Mike.
Again?
Mike.
That's okay. Where are your siblings?
They're inside, sir. No, they're inside, Mr. Mike.
You see it? Mike now.
Mr. Mike.
Have this. I used their names to apply for a scholarship grant in Scotland, and both of them were accepted. That's their documents.
Thank you, sir.
It's nothing now.
Thank you, Mr. Mike. Thank you, Mr. Mike. Thank you, sir.
Why are you looking at him like that?
Who does not know who being in this community?
Hey, please. He's not even a full member of this community.
Someone who stays in this community even more than you is not a member of this community already. Do you know how long he has been waiting for that Nkemjika of a girl that ran away? He even comes to their house every day to sweep the compound.
Hey. Now, wow. Just take a look at what you have turned yourself into. Just for the sake of love.
My Debiko, I have a lot to do. If he can't open his eyes and look for another beautiful lady to marry, then let him keep waiting. Biko.
I was expecting that everywhere would be so bushy. Who is sweeping this compound? Yeah?
Namu. This is your village. And this house. This is our house. Look. Look the house. This is our house. Oh? Alright, let's go in.
Nkem. So it's true. Nkem, so it's true. Hey. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Obin.
I thought I've lost you.
No.
Oh my goodness.
I'm always here.
Where is this baby crying?
Oh.
What is this? He's who? Abi, he's what? What?
His name is Nandi.
He's my son.
He's your what? It's a lie. He's your son. Nkem, don't tell me you got pregnant for another man. That was why you ran away from the village. To go and give birth to him.
No, I can explain.
What is there to explain? What is there to explain? You said he's your son. Abi, you got pregnant by accident. Okay. So after all these years. Okay, after all these years. Okay, after everything we shared together. After everything. Okay, after.
Let me explain.
Okay, after everything.
I want to explain. Just
Okay, after everything.
Just give me a minute to explain.
Okay, after all this. Yes.
Come go on again, man. Now, come go on. Let me explain. I just want to explain.
So continue. Brother, I'm going back to my husband's house. Oh, since you have refused to marry and you're waiting for Nkemjika who was pregnant for another man. Continue waiting. I prepared a egusi soup for you. When you finish that one, please don't call me again. Oh, of all the girls in this village, you did not see anyone to marry. You are waiting for Nkemjika. Don't worry, continue waiting. She will come back again with another pregnancy. Lover boy.
thirsty. I should be the one thanking you.
Okay. Okay. So it's because of this man. Nkem? So it's because of this man you left me all these years. Hey!
Obinna, is something wrong with you?
You're asking me if something is wrong with me. So Nkem, because I don't have a car, Abi, a hero on packet shirt, Balo chain like this man, that's why you left me. Eh?
Please.
Hey!
What is going on here? I don't understand.
Oga, if you know what is good for you, leave this place.
Are you
Jesus! Jesus!
Eh? Are you normal?
Oh, Malama.
Is something wrong with you?
Nkem Malama. Nkem Mahwa. Oh, my God. Nkem Mahwa.
What's wrong with you?
So you...
Have you lost it?
You slapped me.
What is wrong with you? Mr. Mike!
Hey!
See what you have caused.
Tim.
You need to see what you have caused? Eh?
Nkem.
Obinna! Obinna! I don't know what is wrong with you. Stop it! Obinna!
Are you sure of what you just told me?
Makatu, that is Nazi Jobi.
Okay. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go back to that compound. Monitor everything that is happening there and give me a daily report. What did I say?
You say, make I go. Come down. Monitor. Then I go come there, give you daily report.
Good. Daily report.
Thank you. I'm going to give you a daily report. Not for house.
Their house?
Okay. Daily report. Original. What's up, sir? What did I do here? No vex. Now you as I say make I come find him for house. You know say he don't take. So as I come like this, only your papa I see. He say you. What am there? Sorry. So you don't get my number again? No vex. I say you don't get my number again. I say calm down. There is no vex. Network we get as be for call. What am again? Now you don't see me now. What to make you find me come? Now you call. You don't say you never. I said why you find me come? No vex. Men they miss you for street. So na me say who make I come check you so that make I know whether you go fit come where would they day sometimes they calm down that whole joint. You understand? Me I go host you. You get where I want to go. Let I go see.
Mr. Mike, thank you so much for your understanding. Thank you. God bless you. Yes, he's here with me. Okay, sir. He wants to talk to you.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, sister, would Obinna did all that because he thought my baby is yours and Mr. Mike is the father?
It seems so.
Well, so I'm responsible for this.
You are not. Thank God Mr. Mike is very understanding. Okay?
Okay.
So don't blame yourself. Okay?
But I can't wait.
Sister,
He said that we should get ready, that you're coming to pick us on Sunday. And guess what?
He said that we are going to stay with him for a few days before we travel to Scotland.
Wow! Like seriously, I can't wait. I mean, this is all like a dream. And I won't believe this till I land in Scotland. I don't know.
You went for your interviews.
Yes.
And your visas are out. So there's nothing else left.
Oh.
Wow.
Yes. Auntie, don't mind that. Look at this.
Don't even try that again.
See, I'm your elder brother. Don't talk to me like
Don't try
that.
that. And I'm your sister.
I'm here. Both of you to just behave. I give up.
Both of you will be traveling very soon. I'll be seeing.
Come here, Shoko.
Mom. Bye.
Oh, yeah.
It's me, oh.
Kamsi.
Brother Dina. Good afternoon.
Kamsi, how are you?
I'm fine, oh.
Hi.
Hey, brother. My sister told me what happened between you and brother Mike.
Oh, Mike, that's his name. Hey. You can't believe Nkem slapped me because of that Mike. Nkem slapped me. Me. Hi.
Brother, see, your assumption is wrong. We need to talk. There's something we need to know. You can go inside. Let's go inside.
Okay. Hi. Please, I'm sorry about everything, please. Chikamso here already told me everything. I'm sorry.
Sister? Sister, there is no point in destroying your relationship because of me and my son. You have sacrificed so much, you know. I will not have this on my conscience anymore, please.
You know I love you, please. I'm sorry. Please. I've always loved you from the very beginning. I'm sorry. I misunderstood the whole thing beginning. Please.
Onyekwa. Oh, remember.
Your job. I am Inspector John, and this is Sergeant Tony. You both are under arrest for conspiracy and kidnap of Mr. Mike Eze. And I advise you keep quiet. Officer,
Are you talking about? Eh? What rubbish are you vomiting?
Come, Macham dear, son. Once you know, I've always told you that one day your cup will be full. Your cup is not just full today, it is spilling over. Eh? You couldn't go, dear John.
That's what happened. Mbam, we cannot allow those things to travel abroad. Huh?
That's what I think.
My own son cannot be useless. And my brother's children will travel abroad. Huh?
You know, makes sense.
Or Habazu Lukonye Man, I cannot allow that to happen.
Now, what in a reason?
You said the man is coming on Sunday.
Exactly.
And can you identify the man? You know him?
As I said, even the man motorcycle. I know both the color.
Good. You see, cut off the head of the snake, and the snake dies.
Like.
We have to eliminate the man.
Oh, okay. Now what you know say he talk say cut his neck. Now the man you
yes,
talk.
It's a proverb.
Okay.
See, if the man dies, they return to square one. They will not travel. So, on Sunday, I want you to wait for the man at the entrance of the village. Once he comes in, terminate him.
One time.
After terminating him, the weapon you use, go and plant the evidence in Obinna's house. Yes, so that we will use one stone to kill two birds.
Confirm. Obinna will plant them.
Good.
No problem.
I will give you 200,000 naira up front. Now, once the job is done, your balance, I'll give it to you as usual.
No, check on.
Wait, let me get you your money.
Take land, he say cut snake. He say that, you know, see, it's the money.
I don't know, wait. It's not about the money. It's not about this money.
Yeah.
Now this same man, we want to send those twins go abroad. Nine chief want us to kill.
Exactly. What happened now?
And he want pay us just 400,000 naira. Make we kill him.
Why they ask all this question? You never kill for chief before?
No be issue of say we never kill for chief before. In brother way we kill, na ordinary hunter.
They calm down.
Shishi, he no get. But this one what we dey talk about, for him to say he want send those twins go abroad, money dey hand.
Wait till one talk.
Wetin I dey try talk be say, when we kidnap am, we go make sure say we collect plenty money for a hand, like millions of naira. Then we kill am. If we kill am finish, we comot for this village, come make our life better. No be this life we will continue to live now.
We get sense, we get sense. You know, at this end, no only we thief, you sabi.
No, that's why I always tell you, say, if you debab this, make you know debab this your head. Because anytime you debab this, you debab some of your brain come out. They leave small on top.
You decrease. You decrease.
You know what? No, go prepare.
Take your shot! Come on! Hey, you should make your move. I will scatter your head. Okay? Hey! No, joke. Okay, no be Rigo. No be Rigo. Okay, move it. Move. Get up. No be Rigo. Get up. Hey, get up. No be Rigo. I said get up. Okay, move Rigo. Get into this car. Enter the car. Get it. Move.
I am so disappointed. I am so... To say I'm ashamed of you, my parents, would be an understatement. You both disgust me. You mean to tell me you killed your brother using my friends? Because you wanted to take all that belongs to him. Huh? Every day for the thief. One day for the owner of the house.
Owner of the house.
Pamagi, Ikune Jugo, Dala.
Thank you, Mr. Man.
Eh?
Officer,
yeah,
do your job. Move them.
Hey, Mr. Man. Get up.
Oh yeah, move. Donia. Everything we did it for you.
Who are the we?
No.
You are on your own. Oh, so man.
You are the mastermind. Both of us planned. You can't remember whatever. Officer, move this one. Move this gear.
I don't want to apply force.
Just
respect yourself. Let's go.
You are carrying an innocent person. There's nothing. I did not do anything. I'm innocent. People should carry my husband and go. I want to hear more.
Push this woman.
We have all that sorted out in the station. Let's be going.
Push her. I should do what? If I that nonsense again now, I will stampede you here now. Come on, Tawa here. Wait, let me tell you something. Wait. For the first time, wait. I want to apologize for Papa Maggie.
Now I'm explaining. I'm not going to make
Modinja Kema Kalam Nenua Kema Kofalam Abumu Wene Nada Nua Mana Kema Kofalam Abumu Wene Nua Mana Kema Kofalam Kema Kalam Nenua Kema Kofalam Manake mama konandam Kema kolam nenua Kema konam Helua muejelua no sirike Kema makonandam Unua kono baram naba Kema kolam nenua Nyakunu baram muejebe Kema kolam nenua Kema kokwanam Kema kolam nenua Kema konabe Ezibo wa bialuwa Asingi dibenuo Kema kolam nenua Kema kokwalam Ezibo wa tobi Yomana singi dibenue Wadi ya jompukuwe Mwata nagalowe ya Wana Kema kolam nenua Kema kokwalam Kema kolamo Kemue nenua Kema kokwalamo